Hey guys, I made a mini bow bag and it's reversible. First I made my template. I ironed inner facing onto this thin fabric. Then I cut out 4 body pieces, 2 in one color and 2 in another color. I also cut out 4 strap pieces. Pair the colors with the backs facing out and sew the sides. I sewed 3/8 of an inch from the edge. Turn one of the body pieces inside out so that it's the right side facing out and put it in the other one. Then align the seams. For the strap, align 2 pieces and sew around the edge. Leave one end open. Next, cut around the corners of the straps. To turn the straps inside out, I tucked in the end and used a dowel to wiggle the fabric down. Then I added a top stitch. Mark 1 inch at the end of each strap. Align the strap with the side seam. Insert the strap between the 2 colors and pin it in place. Do the same to the other side. Then sew along the top. I turned it inside out and added a top stitch. I also sewed a square with an X on the straps. Then flip one side open and tuck in the straps. Sew the bottoms and leave an opening on one side. Then align and sew the corners. I turned it inside out and sewed the opening closed with a ladder stitch. And here's how it turned out.